Frustrated by the Telephony Service Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. I recommend the automated system scan for Telephony Service Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Telephony Service Library. It manages the communication between applications and telephony hardware, modems, PBX, VoIP. It handles the routing of voice and data calls. While largely legacy, it is still required by specialized fax software and dial-up diagnostics. If missing, the telephony service will fail to start, resulting in no modem-detected errors in legacy communication tools. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Telephony Service Library DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Telephony Service Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Telephony Service Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Telephony Service Library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Telephony Service Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.